In SurveyCTO, you can design your forms directly from our built-in online form designer or using a spreadsheet form definition. If you already have a spreadsheet form definition ready, this video will show you how to add it to your SurveyCTO server. First, on the Design tab of your server console, click a plus on the left. Click the Upload Form Definition button that appears. In the module that appears, go to the Form Definition box. If the form is saved to your computer, you can click Select from your computer. If the form is saved in your Google Drive, click Select from Google Drive. You can also drag and drop the form definition over to this box. The form definition is now selected. If there are files to attach to the form, set Attach Files to On, and from here you can attach files that will be used by the form, such as images, data files, field plugins, and more. This form doesn't need any attachments, so I will leave this be. You can either deploy the form immediately or upload it as a draft. If the form is deployed, enumerators can fill it out and submit data. If the form is uploaded as a draft, enumerators cannot fill it out, but you can still test it. I'll leave Deploy Immediately selected. Now I'll click Upload. If there are any errors in the form, it will say so in a pop-up, but this form has no errors, so it has been successfully deployed. It should now be accessible to collect, monitor, and export data.